Designrr is a tool that creates ebooks and lead magnets from blog posts or web pages, so you don't have to write any content to produce a beautiful ebook. All you need to do is click on Create a New Project, and then I need to enter a URL. So I'm going to go to my blog and I'm going to grab this article here called 10 Steps to Catapult Your Online Business Using Content Marketing. So I literally grab the URL and I go to Designrr and I put it in here. And what happens is Designrr will start loading that. Now this works with WordPress, Squarespace, or any blogging platform that you might use will pull it in. So then what it does, asks me to choose a template, and these are styles that are put there so you can get started immediately. Okay, so I'm literally just going to click on Tokyo. I'm going to type in a Kudani book and click Create. So now this opens up that actual post, but what it does is it ignores all the content and distractions that I don't want in my book. So for example, if I go back to the post, you can see that this web page has sharing icons up here, it has navigation all the way along here, it's got a sidebar, it's got sharing icons down there, and if I scroll right to the very bottom, I've got all this footer content as well, and I don't want any of this in my ebook. So when I go back into Designrr and I look at the content that it's pulled in, I can see that everything is really clean. Okay, so there's no navigation elements, there's no sharing icons, and everything is nicely styled and formatted. Okay, but here's the thing, it's the default template I chose is a white on black, and I decided I want to change my mind. I don't want that particular theme, so I just click on themes here, and there's 21 different style collections that we put here. So if I click on Yeti, but you can choose any of these other styles, and basically these are collections of colors and fonts, so again you can get up and running immediately. Now I've started with Yeti, I can see that everything's black on white and more like a traditional book. I like that, but I want to just change the footers and the headers. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just click on the background color. In fact, now I'm going to click on the text for my header, and I'm going to change that to white. So I click on text style, I click on white, it's a color picker, and that's done. And then let's do the same with the footer. At the moment that's blue because it's actually a link back to the website, and that's all done automatically for you. So now I have this gray header and footer, which I quite like, and that's going to work for me. Now the other thing I want to do actually is change this cover image. So I'm going to literally select the whole